discuss a problem from stoichiometry. The problem is a mixture of aluminum and zinc weighing 1.67 gram was completely dissolved in acid, and hydrogen which is evolved, it is 1.69 liter at NTP. What was the weight of aluminum in the original mixture? The problem is that we have the mixture of two metals, aluminum and zinc, and we know that these metals, when react with an acid, there is production of hydrogen gas, and we have the hydrogen which is produced, the volume of that very hydrogen is 1.69 liter at NTP, and we have to calculate the amount of aluminum which was there in the mixture in the starting. Okay, so let us start to solve this problem. So we have to utilize the concept of mole and the concept of molar volume in this question. First of all, as we do in mathematics, that if we don't know anything, we consider it as x. Now the problem here is to find the weight of aluminum. So let us consider that mass of aluminum is x gram. Let x gram aluminum was there in the mixture. Now if the mass of aluminum was x gram, then what about zinc? The mass of zinc will be the total mass of mixture, that is 1.67 gram minus x gram. So this is the mass of zinc. Now we can calculate the moles, number of moles of aluminum as well as zinc from their atomic mass. Now as atomic mass of aluminum is 27 gram per mole, and that of zinc, atomic mass of zinc is 65.4 gram per mole. So this is the consideration which we are using to solve the problem. First of all, we have considered the mass of aluminum, then from this we can calculate the mass of zinc because the total mass is given 1.67 gram. Atomic mass of aluminum, as we know, it is 27 gram per mole, and for zinc it is 65.4 gram per mole. Now we have to consider the reaction with acid, and we know that acid give us H positive ion. Now first of all, let us calculate number of moles or moles of aluminum. So moles of aluminum will be what? The mass of aluminum divided by atomic mass of aluminum. Now the mass of aluminum which we have considered is x gram, and atomic mass is 27 gram per mole. So gram will cancel gram and we will get x over 27 mole. In the same manner, moles of zinc can be calculated. So moles of zinc is equal to mass of zinc or weight of zinc divided by atomic mass of zinc. Now mass of zinc which we have considered, that is 1.67 minus x gram divided by atomic mass, it is 65.4 gram per mole. So it is equal to 1.67 minus x divided by 65.4 mole. This is moles of zinc as well as aluminum we have calculated from the given data. Now we will consider the reaction. the reaction of aluminium with hydrogen H positive, which is produced by acid, it will give us aluminium in +3 oxidation state and hydrogen gas will be liberated. Now balancing, it will be 6 H positive, 2 Al +3 and 3 moles of hydrogen. We can write it equation number 1. Second equation is for zinc, because zinc is also going to react. Zinc will react with H positive to give, because zinc will go into +2 state and liberation of hydrogen will be there. 1 mole of hydrogen will be liberated for 1 mole of zinc. This is equation number 2 you can write. Now from stoichiometry, as we know that at STP condition or NTP condition, as it is given in the problem, 1 mole of gas occupy the volume, that is 22.4 liter. 1 mole of gas will occupy 22.4 liter. Now I will consider the equation number 1 and equation number 2 and find out that how much volume of hydrogen will be produced at STP, standard temperature and pressure condition. So volume of hydrogen gas produced by this moles of hydrogen, that is X divided by 27 mole. Okay, so first of all let us consider this equation. 2 mole of aluminium give or produce how much mole? 3 mole of hydrogen gas. 2 mole of aluminium give us 3 mole of hydrogen gas. What about 1 mole of aluminium? 1 mole of aluminium will give 3 divided by 2 mole of hydrogen gas. And as we have given X divided by 27 mole of aluminium, it will give X divided by 27 into 3 divided by 2 mole of hydrogen gas. And if we have to calculate the volume of this much mole of hydrogen, it will be, as we know, 1 mole of hydrogen has volume 22.4 liter, then X divided by 27 into 3 by 2 multiplied by 22.4 liter of hydrogen gas will be produced by this much mole of aluminium. So this is the value which I have to utilize in the next step. Next thing is to calculate the volume of hydrogen. In the same manner, volume of hydrogen produced by 1.67 minus X divided by 65.4 mole of zinc will be equal to, as it is in this case, 22.4 multiplied by 1.67 minus X divided by 65.4 liter. Okay, now in case of aluminium, the volume which we have is this much, and in case of zinc, when it reacts with acid, the volume is this much. Okay, we can write it equation number 3 and 4. From equation number 3 and 4 we can calculate the total volume of hydrogen. So total volume of hydrogen produced will be equal to sum of these is equal to what? This is x into 22.4 into 3 divided by 2 into 27 plus 1.67 minus x multiplied by 22.4 divided by 65.4, and total volume, as we know in the problem, it is given equal to 1.69 liter. Means we have an equation in the form of x, okay, from which we can find out the volume, and it is equation number 5. Okay, now when we will solve this for x, on solving equation number 5 for x, then we have x is equal to 1.248 and it is in gram. So it is the mass of aluminium which we have considered. This is mass of aluminium which is equal to 1.248 gram. Okay, this is the solution for this problem, that we have to calculate the mass of aluminium which is there in the mixture. Okay, thank you.